Anyone have any doubt on the previous session before going to checking on any assignments? I hope it's clear, everyone, right? So what does mean by wire glass? Anyone can answer it? Aishwarya,
Ma'am,
what does mean by wire
It is
glass?
main
Yes, go, Suresh, go ahead.
whereas we mainly used to restrict the rows by filtering by giving some conditions.
Yes. So in the projection, we are having a three types in the select statement. That is a projection, selection, and joins. So projection, you will be doing like you will be filtering only the columns, right? You cannot able to restrict the rows in the projection. That's the reason we are implementing to the where glass. So where glass is used to filter for both rows and columns, but specifically, so using the where condition method, you can able to restrict the rows of the data. So is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And we are having the distinct class. Why we have to using distinct class? Always we have to start after select statement before starting with any of the method, any of the column name, we have to use this distinct class. Distinct class is specifically we are using to remove or avoid the duplicate values in the column of the data, right? Yes or no? It should be
Yes, ma'am.
always unique. For distinct class, order by class, it's always executed in the last of the query. So it will be the only it is represented whatever your output is displayed on the MySQL tool or workbench, it will be displayed based on the mentioned ascending or descending order. But by default, whenever you are executed in the query, the output will be displayed as a ascending order, right? Is that clear, everyone? For order by class basics, I
yes,
just
ma'am.
brushed up. Yesterday, what we have discussed, just brushed up on today's here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure. So I can share my screen. You guys can tell the answer one by one. I can call the names. So where I have given the assignment, right? I'll execute my laptop itself. You guys can tell the answer. Instead of checking for each everyone, we can do it right now today. Okay? Yeah. Vanishri, can you read the first query? What is the first query I have given?
Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are working as developer.
So, what is the mean of this query, first of all?
Ma'am, I want you only, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you only. You have to answer this query also. What are the
Okay.
purposes we are using this mainly?
Ma'am, first, all employees, whatever the table,
Mm-hmm.
all
Mm-hmm.
employee details is there, no?
Mm-hmm.
In that table,
Mm-hmm.
who are all working as a developer, that only the developer list will be available in that
Okay.
one.
So now I'll retrieve my table, original table. Are you guys able to see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here my data was there, right?
Okay.
So, Ashley, can you tell me that query who are all working as a developer?
Okay.
How do we write it?
Select star from employee one, employee one.
Employee. So,
Then enter
mhm,
where job.
job, right? So,
Yeah,
developer column will be there in the job.
yeah,
Sometimes it is displayed on department. Okay.
department.
So, department and job both are same. That might be the variation in the query also. Don't worry. Okay. Next time.
Yeah.
So,
Where
where
job
job.
equal to
Mhm.
semicolon developer.
Is it any case sensitive? I can write it as small letter in the D because it's in caps letter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I write it in the small letter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because SQL is not case sensitive. We can use uppercase or lowercase both. Okay. Is that I'm getting the data?
Yes, ma'am.
Only it will be checked. Always what is the where condition method it will do? Where job is equal to developer. First row it will check. Where job is equal to developer, is it Tejaswini is equal to developer? No,
No.
right? So
No.
then it will go to the second row. So it means it will be executed row by row condition. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will until Shruti also it is not matching. So then come to row number 4. So developer. Is it developer is equal to developer, the column of the job?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
then it will display whole data because it is mentioned as a star. That's the reason I'll be displaying as a Ashok. Then it will be go for Sudarshan. So the row number 5. So it will check the matching the developer. So that is the reason I am displaying complete data of for Sudarshan as well. Then go to the row number 6. It is not matching. Tester is not equal to developer. So then go to the next row without checking anything. So this is also matching. So this data will be also display. Deepak data also will be displayed. So same way, whatever it is matching with the developers in this based on the job condition, it is displaying all the data. So specifically what I'm saying, it will be check the condition of row by row and matching data only, restricting the rows of the data using where condition method. Clear? Understood, Pawan?
Yes, ma'am.
If you
Ma'am.
not attended, at
Yeah,
least
yes, ma'am.
I'm just brush upping here, okay, with the
Yes.
example.
Go ahead.
Okay, okay. I'll call other names. So who can Rakesh, you are not attended? Oh, okay, he is not there only, right? Okay. Those guys are attending for other sessions. Rakesh, Ritesh, Sangeeta, and Aditya. Anybody can answer it? Those are all attending.
Rakesh will attend manual, I think. I don't know about others.
Okay, I'll check with Baswana sir then. Thank you. Soumya?
No, ma'am. Rakesh, just now I called him, but he's in outstation. I think he will
Okay.
attend. He's
Okay,
also
fine.
not.
Because I didn't see him even single session also. That's what I asked.
But he said only yesterday he's not attended. He said,
I didn't see him very long. I have not seen him only, I think. Only you, Lohit, and Suresh will be attending regularly for boys. Okay, I'll discuss with Baswana sir. We'll discuss later. So guys, please don't miss the session because this was very important, okay? Yeah. Okay. Soumya, let's
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to the Soumya. Soumya, can you answer this query? Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are earning salaries less than 4,000.
Yes, ma'am. Here we will write a query to display
Who are earning salary less than
less than
4,000,
4,000.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this data, who is the less than of 4,000? Only the Sudharani is a less than 4,000.
Yes, ma'am.
My data should get only for this her, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
how
ma'am.
do we execute it? It is not, they're not telling equal to also 4,000 because they're telling less than 4,000.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do we write the query?
Select star from employee table.
Select star from
Employee.
employee.
Where
Okay.
salary is less than 4,000.
Shall I write in the single row itself? The query?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, less than that.
Yes. Less than. Is it required for the codes?
No, ma'am.
Because it's a digit, right? It's
Yes.
enough.
Semicolon.
So is that my data got displayed properly?
Yes, ma'am.
And others understood this query? Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So yes.
ma'am, I have given data different, so I got
Fine, data is different is not an issue, but you are getting the proper execution data only
Yeah, I'm
more than
getting
a 4
proper
percent.
output, but you gave us less than 4,000, right? But I
Yeah,
didn't mention salary less than 4,000. So I gave it as less than 10,000. So I got
you
output.
don't have a data less than 4,000.
No, ma'am.
Just add it and just execute the queries. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. If you are not right, like if you're not adding also, if it is a empty data you are getting, that is also correct answer only, right?
empty I'm getting, ma'am.
Yeah, that is also correct answer. If you don't have a data, it will show as a empty.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Suresh, can you answer the third query?
Yeah. Write a query to display job and address from the table only. Its department number is 10. Okay, ma'am. We have to fetch the data. Overall
Mm-hmm.
working in DPT number 10. So we
Mm-hmm.
want only their job and address only.
Yes. So how do we
So
execute?
select
Select.
EMP name.
Do we
So
require EMP name?
it's for our reference.
Okay, let's
So
execute first as per the query. Then we
yeah,
can see the reference.
select job,
Okay.
comma address
Okay.
from employee
From employee,
where
where
DEPT number
petty number is equal to
equals to 20. Sorry, 10.
20 or
20
10.
or 10. 10,
10.
ma'am.
You have not written in the notes.
Yeah, I have written, ma'am.
Okay. So is that displaying
Yes, ma'am.
for all working as a department of better? For your confirmation, for validation, you can add it the department number
DEPT
column
number
also.
also. Yeah.
Okay. And if you want, you can add it. But in whatever in interview, right, that time you should don't add the EMP name and department number. Just for your understanding, I'm just showing here. Okay.
Okay.
You have to execute whatever they have requested. The same thing only you should execute it.
Okay.
Clear? So is
Yeah.
that correct? Show correctly the data is showing
Yes,
for
ma'am.
all working in the department number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone get the answer for this assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I'll ask Sanjana. Can you answer this another fourth query?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, write a query to display all the employee details. Have to display all the employee details, like those who are working, working as admin,
Mm-hmm.
and sort the data. Means like order by, we have to use order by clause.
Mm-hmm.
So based on their names in alphabetical order, like A to Z.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay. How do we execute it?
like ma'am, select start from employee details.
Select start from
Employee details.
employee
Details, where job is equals to admin.
where job is equal to
Admin.
admin. Okay, one
And
second. Let me, it is order by class.
ordered by
Okay. Order by
employee name, EMP name.
EMP name.
So we
Always
have
the column name. Okay. So
yes, ma'am.
here, based on their names. Names means EMP name. Okay.
Yes,
EMP
ma'am.
name and
Ordered by
ascending order.
ascending. Yes, ma'am.
ASC, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So what is
Admin,
this?
like admin, we have to give double quote, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So what I have done the mistake,
Uh,
admin, it is not there in the double quote. That's the reason it is considering as a
yes,
column.
ma'am. Column.
Okay. Instead of value, it is considering as a column name.
Column. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that displaying correctly?
Yes, ma'am. GH.
It is
Like
showing
it is
as a alphabetical order only, ascending
yes,
order based on their EMP names.
yes,
Only
ma'am.
admin data is getting. Others getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next query. Darshini, can you answer this query?
Yes, ma'am.
we want to display all the columns of the data whose working department number is 20, and also salary in the form of highest to lowest salary.
Okay. So how do we execute it?
Select star from employee,
Select star from
employee,
employee,
where department number is equal to 20,
where DPT number is equal to 20.
order by salary, DSC, descending.
Order by salary. Here the column name is salary,
Salary.
right? DESC is a short name. You should not mention completely ascending or descending. So this
Yes, ma'am.
keyword you have to use it for order by class method. Either ascending or descending order you have to keep it. So based on descending order means highest salaries to the lowest salary, and also should be displayed all the details where only who are working all the employees in department number 20 only. Understood? Others,
Yes,
everyone are
ma'am.
getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pawan, you understood now at least
Yes, ma'am.
basics?
Yes, ma'am. Understand, ma'am.
Okay. Same thing, I have done it. I have done the many examples in the sessions. You go through the recorded video. If let me know any doubts on that. Okay. I just given the notes and everything. Take the notes from your friends.
Okay.
Yeah. So I hope everyone are done with the assignment, right? Anybody is not done? Any stuck on anywhere? Akshita, Aishwarya, is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Lohit, have you done
Done,
the
ma'am.
assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
All done.
Okay.
All done, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's come to the new topic today. So we have done all the order by class, distinct class. I can go to the distinct class. One example. Lohit, can you tell me that one of the example for distinct class? You can tell any query based on yours.
What I couldn't get to, ma'am.
Can you give example for unique distinct salary? So or it's a distinct example, distinct class example.
Distinct means a unique, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give an example for distinct?
So where the duplicates, the data will not be displayed.
Yes. Can you give one
For
example
example,
query
for
based on the query?
example, here EMP name there is a two names Shruti is there, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
So
Can you give apart from Shruti? We can take it off department number today. Everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm taking as a distinct class. Always we have to use one time only for distinct class, and also before the first column only we have to use it. So if you are displaying here department number here, it is applicable for if you're adding for multiple columns also, the distinct class will apply for other column as well. For example, EMP name or salary, anything. Okay, you can take it out. Right now I'll be taking as a department number. Okay, select distinct and column name, and then we have to give from
From table.
table name. So it will be filtering if it will be restricting in the department number. So here we have a duplicate department numbers, right? Multiple, but duplicate means it's a adding for the employees. Okay, but only if you're considering as a department number column, you have a multiple duplicate department number. For that, to avoiding, you can use this unique department number is 10, 20, and 30 and 40. Understood? Is that executed properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, the distinct class will remove the duplicate. Okay, duplicate data on the column. So distinct class, it will always applicable for only on the column name, not on the any rows of the data. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's all go to the today's sessions expression. So anyone knows about what is meant by expression? What is this? A plus B.
Expression.
Shall I call it as expression, right? Right. So shall I call it as A and B is our operands?
Yes, ma'am.
A and B, can I call it as operands? I'm returning here. And what about this? Let me, what is this happened? Operands, right? So what about this plus
Operant.
operand?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? Any answer?
Operation.
Operators.
Yes, it is operators. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, so expression. What is mean by, then we can call it as, what is mean by expression? It's a combination of operators and operands. Understood? What is the expression? Combination of operands and operators. So this will be called as a expression. In the expression, we have some x plus y, or x into y, or x modulus of y, or we can x minus y, or a plus b, a minus b, a into b, or a modulus b, or a divided by. These are all the operations, right? So complete that is called as expression. The whatever we are giving the input, that is called as a operands, and whatever the performing the expression action, right, that is called as a operators. Understood? Clear everyone? It's
Yes,
just a
ma'am.
mathematical here. Okay, so what is mean by operands? Operands are called, we can call it as a input specified values, right? In the expression, we can call it, will be based on the operands only, the operators will operation will performed. These are the input values, I can call it as. Yes or no? So with this A and B, can we call it as input values?
Yes, ma'am.
So in Oracle, for operands are classified into two types. What are the two types, ma'am? Classified it here. So one, it is column type, column type operands. These are the input, okay? So another one is, one it is column type operands, another one is literal type operands. Literal type operands. Understood? So let's discuss now what is mean by column type operands, what is mean by literal type operands. So the column type operands, if any of the column name is specified input in the expression, then it is called as column type, excuse me, column type operand. So how it will be this in the operands? If any column name is specified as an input in the expression, then it is called as a column type operands. Understood? So if we have any actions here, percentage if we have, So what will be the percentage? If you have in the any column, excuse me.
Four.
So what is mean by column type operand? If any operation will happen, I want sum of the column. So what will happen? If sum is happened in the column, the performance is happened, right? Expression will happen. So let's I can tell you here. Getting confusions?
Yes, ma'am.
So let I can tell you. You remember there is a do method, right? So a plus b, true or true false. Remember that? So here it's a, and here it's b, and here sum we can give it, right? Sum means what? A plus b column. This is one input, and this is another input. Yes or no? If I'll assign 10 and here it's 5, what will be the sum output here?
15.
15.
So can I call it this is the expression column type operands?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Understood now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
The same way. So this is the column type operands. So we have one more literal type operands. What is mean by literal type operand? If we have any direct value as a if you have direct value up apart from the column name is specified as an input in the expression, then it is called as a literal type operands. So based on this, we have a literal type. I'll tell you what is mean by this. Basically, we are using the literal type only for more time. So sometimes you will be adding in, you're not doing only the sum operation. You can do any other operation also. So in the column, you are assigning for this literal type operands that we can call it as, we have a, based on this, we have a types same way, character, one second. Character, literal type operands, and we have date literals. So this already we have discussed about that, right? The number, character, remember where we have discussed?
Data integrity.
Yes, in the data integrity, we have discussed under data type. So wherever you are assigning in the column, based on the data types only, you can able to insert the data. Correct? Yes or no? So same way, we are having literal types. So literal types, if you are inserting in the any of the data into the column, so we are segregating with the character literal types, date literal types, and number literal types. So what is mean by character literal types? If any of the column assigned with the character literal types, then it can, we can call it as a character literal types operands. So what is the examples we can give? Is a character literal type should be enclosed with a single quote, same whatever you have given in the character. Okay, so and here we can give the examples of, I'll give you the examples in the later. Just understand the basics of this literals. Okay, this also very important. We can use can a combination of a and so one digits and combination of special characters for character literal types. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, and date literal types. What is mean by date literal types? What is mean by date data types? Date data types. Forget
Date, month, year.
date, month, year, right? So wherever your expression will happen, right? So that time your date literal types will be happening. How the expression will happen? So let I can give directly example, then you will understand better way. Okay. So I want now this a table, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for example, I'll give one query. Okay, for your understanding for that examples of there. Don't get confused. Okay. So now I can tell write a query to display all the employee details along with their annual salary. How we can able to display? Can I call it this is the monthly salary? Whatever I have displaying here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is annual salary, how do we calculate it?
Salary
Into 12.
multiplied by 12.
Right? So now I can display select what I said, select star
Star.
and also annual salary. Annual salary means what? I can mention salary into 12. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is one expression, salary into 12. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Now you are getting what is mean by literal types. So salary into 12. So here you can see this. Another one more column is added. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Is that getting now literal types, the expression? So what's the combination? So character literal type means whenever what does this mean? If character is used as a immediate or direct value in the expression. So here I have added my character literal type salary into 12 is a combination of character literal type. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have added, right? So based on this expression, I'm getting the data. It is a multiply instead of salary, I'm adding my data, each row of the data. So into 12. So all the employees who are earning those annual salary also displaying here. Getting
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. But
Oh,
it created new column.
yes. So always whenever you are executing, this is the new expression we are adding. This is one of the expression. This won't store it in your original databases. It will only reflect in your output. Understood?
Okay, it is not permanent.
Ma'am, again,
Yes.
if you selected star from employee, it will not show, ma'am.
No, it won't show.
Okay.
Why?
But it's not inserted.
It's not a combination.
No.
You should see. Will you able to multiply salary into employee?
No.
Clear? Only this will be salary will be applicable for this expression. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So I can tell you uh, one more example. Write a query to display okay, I can tell you this one more thing. One second. So write a query to display employee name and salary, and salary increases with 200. How do we execute it? Select
Select employee
MP
name,
name,
comma, salary,
salary,
plus
and
12. Salary
salary
plus
Less
200.
200.
200. So if you're adding new expression, then it will be creating the new column, but it will be creating in only in output, not in the original table. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Got it, everyone? So
Ma'am,
for this expression, we are adding this literal types. Clear?
Ma'am, if we want only increased salary, so that time we will give select employee name, comma, salary plus 200 directly.
Yes, you can give. That only I have given, right? Is incrementing.
No, salary separate column, then increased salary separate column, right? Salary plus 200.
Why I'm giving means previous salary and current salary. I'm comparing this.
Okay.
Okay. If you are not giving salary column, directly you are giving as a salary plus 200 also, it will display. But salary column should be there in your table. Understood? So
Yes.
is it coming my salary, increased salary and employee name?
Yeah.
Yes.
I can get the decrease also. Okay.
Mm.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have few queries in the, you will get to know how to be executed. Okay. Right now is understand this
Yes, ma'am.
expression. Okay. So same way we have date literal types. Okay.
But for expression, we can only add only salaries. We can do it execution in only salaries, ma'am.
Yes. Because that only you can able to do it as of now. In future, you will get to know that where we'll use the date literals or anything. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So right now you can understand only we are using the salary column as of now.
And can we use it? Can we use with e name also, employee name also?
How do we use? How do we
Like
use it?
if you want to print hi after the employee name, then we can concatenate.
Tell me. How do you use it?
No, I don't know, ma'am. I am asking with you only.
See, you want concatenate with
Yeah,
I plus emp name. Okay.
I should be in string only.
Okay. Let I can. This will be anyhow error, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let I can give this. That is different concept. Okay. Concatenation is a different concept. Don't include it here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's happening. Plus I.
0, 0, 0, 0.
Getting. So you cannot concatenate it with names
Yeah.
along with the another new string. Okay.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
SQL will not support it.
Okay. Thank you.
Understood? So always don't perform like this. You have to use expression for specifically in the salary columns. Understood? So the employees, they might get the salary increment, salary decrement, or yearly salary, or quarterly increased salary, bonus, and if they got their hiring joining for the new company, that time they'll get 35% hike and 40% hike, 20% hike. That you can able to do like this expressions. Understood? Clear
Ma'am, if
now?
it is in percentage means how we can calculate, ma'am? Like
That I'll tell you. Now you
okay.
understood this. These are the
Yes.
kind of questions they'll ask as of
Okay.
now. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So for example, I'm just telling you, okay, 35% of bonus. Okay. How do we execute that 35% of bonus? Let's come to this examples right directly. So I want to display uh, all the employee details. Those who are the salary will be increased 35% as bonus. So how should I display here? Select star for all the employee details, right? And salary will be increased star into, shall I keep it as a 0.35%? Yes or
Yes,
no?
yes, ma'am.
0.35 I can keep it here.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the 35% of bonus. We can keep it at okay, 1 second. 35% of bonus, we can keep it. And we can give this employee salary, right? We are additionally adding, right? From employee. Is it my 35% got increased here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Salary into 35% plus adding for the salary. Correct? For 35% of formula. If I want 100% for this salary, then how it will be this? Salary increased 100%. How come we can give here?
1.
1. Double, right? Salary plus salary.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So, is it doubled?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can try it. So, if I have 50%, what I can give it here? So, I can give 1/4. 1/4 means what?
0.25.
So, 1 divided by 4?
25%.
25%. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, is it 25% got increased? 10,000, it's a 10,000, right? Previously, it is a 8,000. Now, it's a 25% means 10,000. Is that correct, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if it is off salary increased, I can give 1/2.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it increased? So, 75%. What will be the formula we can use? 3/4. It's got increased. So, then the full 100% salary, what will be the increased? It's got increased. Everyone getting? Understood? Observe the here. Double salary, right? 8 into 8. 16, right? 100% only increased, right? Why you got confused? Is it understanding now? 100%. 75% means 14,000 only, right? Yes? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's come to back day here. So what is meant by date literals? Okay. So the date literals, it means if your date values are used as an immediate or direct value in the expression, then that this is called as a date literals. So in Oracle, what is the date format?
Year,
Here,
month, date.
the same thing. Here, month and date.
Date.
Okay. The same thing for the number literal types means if any column If any column is assigned with the number immediate or direct value in the expression is called as a number literals. So it won't enclose with any single quote or double quote. It is always display as a digits. Understood? So we have one, just understand the concept, okay? Don't worry about that. So when you come to the real time of expression, you will understand this expressions, okay? Shall I call it as this is one of the expression? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have this is expression. This will be the operands. Operands can be the character or number or dates, okay? So here I'll be having operands as the number and characters, and they have operations. Three operation we have here: star, divided by, and addition, correct? So guys, this is just a mathematical questions. This is, can I call it as an expression? Combination of operands and operators.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can execute more example. Don't get confused. Okay. If you're not understanding after the example also, let me know. I can tell you that one more time. Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's come to the one more topic here only, the small topic, alias name. So what is mean by alias name? Anybody aware of this alias name? Alias name.
Alias means like nickname like that. No?
Nickname.
Another
Can I call it as temporary name or alter names?
Yes, ma'am.
So alias name, why we have to use it? When do we use it, this alias name? So let me come to this here, okay? Here I have written salary into 1 plus salary, right? Instead of calling this column name, shall I give temporary alias name for this expression? For this purposes, we are using alias statements. How do we use, ma'am? So you're giving the same expression, is correct. We can give as, you can give the alias name. So what I can give this?
Hike. Hike salary.
salary increase.
Hike salary. Double hike salary, we can mention. Or 100% hike salary. Yes or no? I can give the name instead of expression in the column name.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it changed as a instead of but the data, it won't change it. This will be the alias statement. Alias name will be reflected in the only the column name. Understood?
Okay.
Getting?
We can change even address name also for a column.
Yes, you can change. Any column you can change using the alias name. But one thing, if you specify it as a alias name, that will be reflected in only on the output, not in the original table. But this, it will be always it in the output. It is not in the displayed in the original table. Understood?
Okay, got it.
So we can give, for example, I'm telling you, okay? So here I have given as a salary, okay? I can give as employee salary also, okay? Is I'm getting employee salary. So, but you have to specify as. Getting? To rename the your existing column name. Understood?
But
For
it
alias
doesn't.
statement. Alias name is just a simple, it is you are giving alternative names. That's it. For executing the output. Okay? Getting confused?
Yes, ma'am.
So Aishwarya, you have your name, right? So in home you will call other names.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I call it as alias name?
Yeah.
So Pavan is having Pavan Gowda, right? Alias his name is Gowda, correct?
Yeah.
Same way I have my Saujanya Govinda. My alias name I can call it as another name also, right? Saujanya Govinda. I can call it some at the rate as other names, XYZ name. I can call it. They want their names, right?
Yeah.
Everyone have two names, right? They can call it as alias name. Some god names initially they'll keep it while baby is born, then later they have given new names, right?
Yes,
We can
ma'am.
give alias name the same way we are giving here. Getting?
Okay.
So instead of expression, I'm just giving one name. You can give any name. It's not compulsory to give double hike salary also. You can give any name, XYZ, ABC, anything you can give. Whatever you give it, that name will be reflected in the output. Clear? Understood? Okay. So let's take the notes. Then we can give the examples and meanwhile you can copy it here. So take the heading expression, expression, under that copy. It's a combination of operators and operands. It is a combination of operands and operators. And what will be the example I can give? X plus y. Okay. And can I call it as x is called as x and y are operands, and the plus is operator. Copy it. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next heading operands. Operands. In front of that copy. Operands. Operands or the input values. Operands are the input values. Operands are the input values. Operands are the input values specified in the expression. Specified in the expression. Specified in the expression. Based on based on based on which a specific operation is performed. Which a specific operation is performed.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Operands means operands are the input value specified in the expression.
specify operation is performed.
Okay.
Operands are the input values specified in the expression based on which a specific operation is performed. Done?
Ma'am, repeat it, ma'am.
Operands are the input values specified in the expression based on which a specific operation is performed. Done? Which a specific operation is performed. Shall I repeat once again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next line. In Oracle, operands are classified into two types. Classified into two types. What are the two types? Column type operands and literal type operands. In Oracle, operands are classified into two types: column type operands and literal type operands. Next heading, take it as column type operands. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I'll give this. This is just a theoretical word. Okay, you understood here. If any of column name, if any of column name is specified as specified as input in the expression specified as input in the expression, then it's called as column type operands. Column type operands. Then next, take the heading literal type operands. If any of the direct value, okay, direct value what is the literal type operands? If any of the direct value apart from column name is specified, apart from column name is specified, as input as input in expression, it's called as an expression, then it's called as literal type operands. If any of the column name is specified as input in the expression, then it's called as column type operands. So if any of the direct value apart from column name is specified as in the input, then it's called as literal type operands. So what you have understood? If any of the column name is specified as an input in the expression. So I can give this example directly. Salary plus 200. Is it directly mentioned column name with digits as an operand?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I call it this is a column type operands?
Yes, ma'am.
In input, if you specify it as a column name, then it's called as a column type operands. Literal type means apart from column name, means is a I can call it as 1 divided by 4. It's just their number, right? It's an expression. This is, can I call it as combination of column operand and literal type operands, right? Yes or no? So this will be the yes.
Column and it's column type and literal also, ma'am. Both.
Yes, it's a combination of both.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have in this operands, the divided by is operands, right? 1 divided by 4. These are the 1 and 4 are the, it's not a column name. It's just some expression, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Divided, it's a 1 divided by 4. So that we can call it as a literal type operands. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's take this. It's done. Copied.
It's done, ma'am.
Okay. So there are the 3 types. So here under literal types, so we have first one, character, literal types, and date, literal type, and third one, number, literal type. Literal type operand, you can call it, because these are all operands, inputs. Okay, this is not expression. This all are operands only. Okay, inputs, input values. Understood? Still we are discussing about the operands. Okay, so once it is done operands, we can discuss about the operators. Understood? Copied. Three types of literal type operands.
No, ma'am, doing.
Yeah, literal type operands is very, very important. Please understand this. Okay, let me know once it is copied. Copy the first character literal type operands. Copy fast. We have to execute examples.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone? Others copied?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
done, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take the notes. If characters are used under the character literal type, if characters are used as immediate or direct value in the expression, if characters are used as immediate or direct value in the expression, then it is called as character literal type operand. If characters are used as immediate or direct value in the expression, then it is called as character literal type operand. Done? Next line. Character literal type operand. Character literal type operand should be enclosed within single quotes. Character literal type operand should be enclosed with single quote. You can use both, okay? No worries, single quote or double quote. Then I can give this example, single quote. Copy the example. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, date literal type operand. Copy. So what we can give now? You guys can tell the answer. So column type is done, right? So same way you have to mention date literal type also. Under that copy, if date values, are are used as immediate or direct value in the expression, if date values are used as immediate or direct value in the expression, then it is called as date literal type operands. Then it is called as date literal type operands. If date values, I'm repeating once again, if date values are used as immediate or direct value in the expression, then it is called as date literals, date literal type operands. Done? Next line. In Oracle, default date display format is YYYMMDD. Done?
Ma'am, it's 4Y, right?
Yeah, 4Y. In front of that copy, date values or date literals should be enclosed within single quote. Date values or date literals should be enclosed within single quote. examples, you can use it. 2026. Here you can use, okay, Oracle. 1 second, I can check it out, this confirmation. Oracle date literal type. Okay, literal type format. This, that. Okay, just okay, just for the confirmation on this, it will be the DD, MON and YY. Just change it, okay? Just confused. This is the date literal, okay? DD, MON, YYY. Just change it. So what will be this? So 10 Feb and 2026. This is the format we can use in the date literal type operands in Oracle format. I can use single quote or double quote, no worries. Just give the single quote. Done. Copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The last one, number literal type operand. Number literal type operand. Copy in front of. If number is used as immediate or direct value in the expression, if number is used as immediate or direct value in the expression, is called as expression, then it is called as number type, number literal type, operands. Number literal type. If number is used as immediate or direct value in the expression, then it is called as number literal type operands. Example. So, okay, next line I can copy. Number literal type operand, number literal type operand need not to be enclosed within single quote. So example, you can give 10 or 1 or 500, etc. Copy this. Next, if it is done, copy alias statement. Small topic. Alias statements. Copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Copy alias statement. Alias alias name is an alternative alias name is an alternative names mainly given to expression but alias name can also be given to column name can also be given to column name. Yes, right? I can change the salary name and employee name and EMP ID also. Yes or no? Just now we executed, right? Salary to change it
Yes.
as employee salary.
Yes.
So that's the I given here. Alias name is an alternative names mainly given to expression, or we can give alias name also given to the column name. So the syntax. So we have a syntax alias name. What is the syntax? Select star or column name as alias name, comma, expression as alias name, okay, from table name. And here you can use where condition also. Where condition is a optional, okay, optional. Copy first for the syntax. Next we can go for the example queries, okay. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Example number 1. Copy the example number 1. So in the short form, shall I write it like this? Write a query. WAQ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, it's a full form is write a query. Okay, don't confuse. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. All the employee details along with their along with annual salary for all the employee. Annual salary for all the employees. Write a query to display all the employee details along with annual salary for all the employees. So is that copied? How do we write the query for this? Select, I can give star and annual salary, right? Shall I give
Salary
into
12.
Salary. Yeah.
12.
so this I can give it as a alias name. Yes. As annual salary from employee table. Correct? Is that correct, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can execute now. From employee. So is that executed annual salary
Let's
into
execute.
12? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Copy this example. Answer. Done, copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So one more query. Write a query to display all the employee details. Copy fast. Okay. Meanwhile, employee details and employee details along with salary increment with salary increases for 200. Salary increases for 200. This already executed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Copied the
Yes.
query. Okay.
Done.
So how do we executed this?
Select star from
Star, comma,
salary plus
salary
200.
plus
200.
200 from employee. So is that my salary increment is coming? So in this salary 200, can I give it bonus salary? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The alias name I can give, right? Is it coming bonus salary? Copy this answer. So whatever I have executed today, please execute on your laptops, practice it. So one more query. Write a query. This is assignment I'm giving, okay? Write a query to display employee name, comma, salary and salary increases for 400 rupees. Okay. Will you guys execute this query? And one more query for assignment. I'll give 2 queries today for assignment. So rest of the queries I'll execute on the tomorrow session. Okay. So we'll give you more examples on app operands using this expression. Once it is done, I'll move to the operators topic tomorrow. Okay. Just try with this. Write a query to display employee ID, and employee name, comma, monthly salary, excuses, and also annual salary. So will you guys try to execute this query? So what does mean by monthly salary? Is given by salary, can I call it as monthly salary in the table? Yes. Just a tricky of the question. Okay.
Yes.
Don't confused. This is given as a monthly salary. Then you have to convert it as a annual salary. Like salary into 12. We have done it. So let's see. Execute this query on the homework. Copy. Copied everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So will you guys execute these 2 queries tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anyone still copying? And while you're giving the presentation, please include SQL also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.